Hey you, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my boo PoppaTx channel. Turn on the bell notification and never miss an upload. Yeah, man. Enjoy the video.
What's up, man? How you doing?
You PoppaTx?
Yes, sir.
How you doing? I watch your videos.
Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate the love on the video. So what you got in here, man?
Tourzine Sound Platinum 18. Wolfram 4500 and then 40 amp hour LTO. And
The Wolfram joint. You say which one is it?
4500.
45. Okay. And what's the boss tuning?
25.
25. You tuned the flat wall to 25? It is a flat wall, right?
Yeah.
PoppaTx asked about the low tuning because most flat walls he's heard are tuned around 34 through 43 hertz. This is a first for him and it was super impressive. You are gonna wanna stay until the end. Yeah, man.
Okay, what alternators you got?
Just 1 and 220.
Okay, all right. Good deal, man. Check it out.
They say I'm showing out, they say I should be ashamed. I don't do it for the clout.
Hey, that's got some beat, buddy.
Appreciate it. I've been waiting to give you a demo.
Yeah, man, I appreciate that, man. So, you thinking about doing anything different to it?
Yeah, I'll build another bank here in a few months and then add another 4500.
Okay, what bank you got on it now?
40 amp hour LTO.
40 amp hour LTO? All right. All
Yeah,
right.
it needs my voltage ain't the best.
I don't know, man. Looks pretty good, man. Sitting there at 14, man. Kind of dropped a little bit, but it's all right. It's
It
all
ain't
right.
too bad.
Yeah, it's not too bad, man. Not too bad. That's loud, man. Have you metered this one before?
I have not. I ain't metered this yet. I had two XV315s in here before, and it did a 52 at 25.
Yeah.
So I don't know what these are.
Good deal, man. Good deal. Yeah, let me get one more, man. We like to deuces.
Hey, 32 in the entertainment. Hey, hey, okay, hey, hey. Papa chicken dog.
Appreciate that, man. Tell us your name.
Blake Steele.
Blake Steele,
Yes, sir.
Poppa T.
Appreciate
You already know.
Nice meeting you, man.
You too, man. Hey, make sure you got in them comments and let them know what you think about this build. Don't forget to hit that like button. Yeah, man.